What are you, COVID cleaner? COVID cleaner? Are you for real? The fuck? That's something out of fucking... Hey, bruv, do you really have to wear that? Do you really have to wear that? What are you doing? Why are you taking photos? You're not even doing... You're just doing that for paparazzi. Why are you doing this? You're not even cleaning. You're not even cleaning, you're just taking photos. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not even cleaning, what are you doing? Is this for the media? Is this for the media? Who are you? What are you doing? You're taking photos for the media. Why are you dressed like that? Why are you dressed like that? You're taking photos for the media. What? Helping! She's not doing nothing, get all here to make fear in people's heads. There ain't a pandemic. Take your mask off and all. Look, you're taking photos, you're not even doing it, but listen. All you're doing is taking photos. That is all you're doing is taking photos. Like, what are you doing? Now take it off, now go around the corner and take another photo for the media. Go on. Work for the government. Fuck the government.
Više informacija o nabavci prirodnih biljnih lijekova te programa detoksa, to je čišćenje od crijeva, jetre, pluća, drugih organa kao i čišćenje organizma općenito, te programa prirodnog liječenja lakših, težih i najtežih oboljenja možete pronaći na našoj stranici Organizacije obrane zdravlja na kontakt broj 095 9192 134, za inozemne pozive 00385 9591 92134. Hvala vam što ste odgledali ovaj video, nadam se da će vam biti na veliku pomoć i blagoslov, pozdrav i svako dobro.